Hi, this video is for people who starting preparing for CAT 24 in October 24. I know CAT is in November and there's not much of days left, but whatever days we had left, let's look at how we can do it in the best possible manner. So this video focuses on LRDI. We have separate video for quant and separate for verbal. The focus out here is LRDI. Is it too late? Yes, you do not have time to complete the syllabus because technically we say at least 3 to 4 months required, 3 months required to prepare for the exam. But yes, you can do your best. By doing selective preparation and selective studying, you can definitely get a decent percentile, though not maybe to a maximum potential, but you can get. So let's look at how to plan and what to do. Now, if you look at the LRDI section, there are 4 sets totally of logic and DI. From that, 3 sets are logic and 1 set of DI. That's how it happened. The recent time, this is the breakup. Normally there are 3 sets. It could change. I'm not saying it remains the same, but 3 sets. So logic is more important than DI. But the problem is, in the recent years, DI was an easier set as compared to logic. Your logic was slightly tougher. So you can't ignore DI. You need to practice DI. You need to practice logic. You need to look at both areas. How to start your preparation? Okay. Ideally, go to your past few CAT papers. Write as a mock for the CAT 2023. You have a link for the same. So write it as a mock, or you can go to the DILR sets of it just to understand the paper pattern type of question. There are 4 sets. How are the questions? What is important, etc. The questions are tough. I'm not saying no, but try to understand it. Okay, how the paper pattern is. Once you do that, then you can start studying. So 2 days out of the week, you anyway solve past papers. So whatever the 4 sets that come in the past papers that you're solving, solve those, analyze those on those 2 days. The rest of the days focus on practicing. This is how you will practice the rest of the days. So 2 days focus on the past papers and try to solve that. So rest of the days try to solve 4 to 6 sets every day, around 2 to 3 hours. Each set may take you around half an hour. Okay. If you take more time, please look at the solution. Don't try to break your head in trying to waste a lot of time on one set. And don't try to solve a set for more than half an hour. So initial 3 weeks focus on topic-wise preparation like games, arrangement, ranking. Pick up some topics and practice 4 to 6 sets every day. Maybe one day you do games, one day you do arrangement, one day you do ranking, one day you do some other DI sets, table, bar graph, etc. So just to be comfortable. The rest of the weeks you can do mixed sets from different mocks. You can either do from different mocks or the past papers. So pick up sets from different mocks and try to practice. Okay. Also solve 1 puzzle a day preferably because it helps you think. CAT is a thinking based examination. Logic requires a lot of logical thinking, and solving Sudoku or Minesweeper 1 a day helps you to think differently. So solving 1 puzzle a day will definitely help you. As far as strategy in the paper is concerned, the focus should be to try to identify easy sets and solve. So initially learn, you go to all the 4 sets and learn to identify 2 sets and try to get 1 correct. Okay, initially do that. But as when you get more practice, try to increase your attempts. Initially 1 attempt is fine. Last year if you look at people who solved 1 complete set correct got a 90 percentile in the DILR section. So that means the initial thing is to identify 1 set correct. And then maybe as and when you be more familiar with it, if you can, try to increase your attempts. I hope this helped. We'll come up the video with verbal section. We already made a video for quant. Just go through it. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to your preparation. There's also a Road 200 series that we have launched to help you practice questions. Go to those from the channel, help you with regard to being prepared for the CAT exam. Thank you.